The Share tool can be accessed by clicking its button in the top right of your screen. This tool provides several methods for sharing a link to the WellFinder webpage. The first is to simply copy the link. This can be done by clicking the icon to the right of the text box. There is an option to copy a short link. It is selected by default. If you would like to copy the full link instead, simply deselect the checkbox. Other options are at the bottom of the dialog box. On the far left in orange is an option to embed the link as HTML code. To do this, simply copy the HTML code and paste it where desired. In green is an option to save this link as a QR code. Simply click Save as Image to save the QR code as an image. And on the right is an option to send this link as an email. Clicking this purple symbol automatically opens Outlook and pre-populates an email message.